Hi, I'm Chef Carl. Welcome to my home. And today I'm going to show you how to make a roast pork loin with fresh green beans, sauerkraut, and dumplings, and how to make the gravy from the drippings from the pork. But first, I hope you know that I always talk about the heroes, the first responders, the veterans, in my posts and in my at the end of my videos. So we have a sponsor now, Janet Churchill Britt and Doug Britt with the Keller Williams Realty, and they partnered with Home for Heroes, the #1 hero rewards program, and they give them a break and significant savings on their homes. They're from Rockford, Poplar Grove, and Conduit, so give them a call and tell them Chef Carl sent you. Alrighty, we'll be right back.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Alright, we're back now, and this is a whole pork loin, and pork is still the best value around. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut about nice pork loin like this. Now the rest of this pork loin, I could cut into pork chops, I can cut it for thinner for pork cutlets, but I'm just going to cut it one more time in half in case I want to make a pork loin later. I always try to keep a clean, sanitary cutting board. So what I'm going to do is put this loin in the half pan like this, and we're going to season it with whatever's gourmet burger. It sounds silly, but it's good for everything. And you could use whatever rub you want. Just don't rub me the wrong way. Oh. And this is my homemade rub. It's got cumin, chili powder, instant coffee, paprika, garlic, yada 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 yada. Lots of yada. And then I like caraway. Try to make sure you massage this all in. We're going to cook this for about an hour at 350. You want to bring it up to just 145 and let it rest covered, and it'll come up to 160. Now I'm going to put this one in the oven. I happened to make one a little while ago, still in the oven, so we're going to exchange them. And this will be cooking, and I'll show you what we're doing with the one that's already in the oven. Oh, man, that looks good. And I got some juice I took from some ribs I cooked to make it extra good. There goes that. This goes that. Depending on your oven, I have a convection between 340 and 350, about an hour. Check it after 45 minutes with the thermometer. So, what I'm going to do now, before I go any further, I'm just going to pour off the juice, and I don't strain the juice, I just put all that goodness in there. And I'll let this start to simmer. I would let this rest, but I want to cut it. So, beautiful pork loin. And I use Chateau pre-sliced dumplings. I just don't have the time to make them from scratch, and they're delicious. So I'm going to microwave these for like 30 seconds after I slice the pork. So now what I'm going to do is give us a couple nice slices of pork. Look at that. That's how pork should look. Don't be skimpy on the slices. Now what I'm going to do is I got some cornstarch. I'm going to add a little water to it, and I'm going to add it to our juices on the pork. Stir it up good. I'm going to use my fingers because I want to make sure I get all the corners. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. Put a little cornstarch in. Make sure it cooks before. Don't put too much in. That should be enough. Let that simmer a second. Microwave the dumplings for 30 seconds. That should be good. A little crispy bread. The green beans. And beautiful gravy. And folks, there it is. Roast pork dumplings, green beans. And you can have sauerkraut if you want, just make it your own way. Just cook it with a little brown sugar, caraway seed, whatever you like to. And here we go. So, thank you for joining me. I'm Chef Carl. Don't forget to support all your veterans and first responders. And Chef Carl Food Whisperer on YouTube, please subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time for a brand new show. Thank you.